There are lots of ways to be able to view and search within your contacts. And so we can do that by going into the Contacts feature space and then choosing Search Contacts either from the left side here or up top. It's totally up to you. So we'll go to Search Contacts, and by default it will bring up all of the contacts currently in my account. And so we can actually, hone and create specific groups that we're searching for using the different search criteria that we have available. So you can specify if there's some particular list you only want to bring up the contacts for, or lists, of course, by deselecting and selecting a few, or of course selecting all. Specify the autoresponder setting that a contact may have, for example, if they currently are or are not receiving your autoresponder messages. Or if you want to search by some subscription time, if you want to just see, for example, all of those contacts who have been added to your account within the past month or 30 days, last 7 days. So this is the search criteria you have kind of default set here. And then there are also lots of additional specific conditions you can use to conduct a search. And so to do that, you'll simply choose this Add Condition option. And you'll see we've got a new drop down here where we need to select the condition category. So just simply the search terms. And so the searches are, in the details you can use to search, are arranged here. So searching by contact details, which includes things like names, email, custom fields that you may have, subscription date, and method. You can search by contact actions, so like contact behavior, things that they do, for example, opening messages, when they've received a message from you, clicked message, attend or participated in a webinar, link clicked, unsubscribed. So this is kind of like, contact actions, behaviors that they've done. Search by geolocation, so if you've got the country, the city, any of the geolocation information you might have. Scoring, if you have any scoring currently set up for your contacts, or as well search by tags if you want to search for given contacts that have or maybe do not have a particular tag. And so you can see there's lots of ways to create really custom and specific searches to bring up really specific groups of your contacts. And of course you can also be able to search for contacts using many different of these conditions at the same time. So for example, contacts who signed up via a landing page, and then you want to, for example, apply that search. And then you'd be able to add another condition to continue searching for all those who signed up with a landing page and who, for example, opened a specific message, a newsletter, an autoresponder, things like this. So this is an example of how you can easily be able to specify and use multiple conditions at once to be able to create these really specific searches. And then once, for example, you can see filtered contacts is 8 for this one search term that I did. I could also, as I said before, add another condition or save this particular search as a custom filter. So what this means is we are saving this specific group of contacts together because maybe for some reason we want to target all of those contacts who have signed up via a landing page, or there's some specific use we have for them. And so I can just call this landing page signups, let's say. And so now this is saved as a custom filter. And as I said, I can send a targeted newsletter or do something that I need to do with them. This is also going to be a dynamic search. And so anyone who, after this point, signs up via a landing page will automatically be added to that custom filter as well. And so this is the super easy way to be able to search for your contacts, giving any type of search requirement that you have, and then saving them in a group together, what's known as a custom filter, to be able to target them or point them out in some specific way, which you need to as well right here within Search Contacts.